Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar fell 0.6% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
With December so far delivering Scrooge-like returns in an otherwise stellar year for US stocks, investors hope the tail end of 2024 offers some holiday cheer, but warn of potential headwinds. The benchmark S&P 500 is up more than 23% for 2024, even after a major stumble this week, and Wall Street has historically often enjoyed a strong annual close. China left its benchmark lending rates unchanged as expected at the monthly fixing on Friday. The one-year loan prime rate was kept at 3.1%, while the 5-year LPR was unchanged at 3.6%. Gold prices extended gains on Friday, supported by a softer dollar and Treasury yields, after US economic data indicated a slowdown in inflation, although the Federal Reserve's hawkish interest rate outlook kept bullion on track for a weekly loss.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Anticipation builds as the economic calendar prepares to release significant updates. Each event, whether of major or moderate importance, has the potential to impact market dynamics and shape trading strategies. The outcome of these economic data points could shape market sentiment for the coming days. Staying ahead of trends and planning accordingly can help mitigate risk.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.